Welcome to today's amazing tutorial. You're about to discover powerful free AI tool that can turn simple text into stunning videos.
This AI tool is incredibly powerful. With just text, it can create videos, animations, and even talking characters.
Everything you're seeing in this video was created by Qwen using completely free AI tools. No paid software, no subscriptions, just creativity and smart tools.
Please don't skip any part of this tutorial. Qwen will guide you step by step through free AI tool that can turn your text into full videos. Welcome to my channel. This is AI Mastery Tutorial, your one-stop step-by-step AI tutorials. Please subscribe to join us.
And this is original content of AI Mastering Tutorial made by Qwen, all rights reserved. And today I bring your way another good AI tool that can turn all your text, a simple text, into a stunning videos with perfect lip sync and realistic movements that looks naturally as if they are humans. So look, from samples that you just saw earlier, I'll show you exactly how I created all of them. And the AI tool that I use today is called Firefly. So let's head over there and see how it is.
Just keep practicing, Barry. You'll get there.
So the AI tool is called Firefly. And Firefly is a product of Adobe. So we are going to type Firefly, exactly like the firefly.adobe.com. And it will bring us to this particular environment. All right. So when you started, you will need to log in with your email account. You click on this sign in here. It will ask you to create account if you don't have any, or you sign in direct. For you that don't have, let's start with creating account by using our Gmail account to create it. So over here now, you can choose your account that you want to use. Let's say I choose a particular account. You need to go continue to the next stage. Now, after that, it will bring you over to this place as well, asking you to select your date of birth. You just choose your date of birth, just fill in your details and fill in your year. So you need to choose your country. Already the country will be chosen automatically by itself. So the next thing you have to do is to create account. You hit create account. So I just show you now how you'll be able to create your account so that you'll be able to use the Firefly Adobe AI. So when you are done, it will bring you over to this place. So once you are here now, to ask you, you just click get started. Okay. So as you are here now, it will allow you to generate for free for some time so that you will see how the website is. And if you like it, you can now go ahead and subscribe with them. So let's take a quick look at the environment of the website. So this is Firefly Adobe AI. So this is how it looks like. You can edit an image with it. You can generate an image with it. You can generate videos, both text to video and image to video. You can as well use prompts to edit your photos. You can remove backgrounds. You can add sound. You can generate audios, both your own audio and whichever one that you want. So there are a lot of things you can do with this particular AI. So for us to start creating, you just need to hit on this big plus that is blue here. You hit on this plus and you ask you what you want to do. Simply choose on video if you are generating video. But if you are working on images, you choose image. So we are using video generation. So we'll click on the video generation and it will bring us to this interface. All right. It's asking you to try their latest model. Just click try now. Okay. Now it will come over to this place. So over here now is where you drop in your prompt on this particular place. Can drop in your prompt for this particular place. Let's look at the frames. The frame is if you already have an image that you want to use, you can simply come over here and choose your frame. Okay, but since we are not working with image to video, we are working with text to video, we can leave the frame for now. So let's go to general and see what is there. On the general, you can see their model. They have Firefly video model. Now let's look at their partner models. They have Veo 3 model. They have Veo 3.1 fast, Ray 3, Sora 2, Ray 2, and all the rest. So we are using their own model, which they have already selected Veo 3.1. already. So we use on this particular one, we leave this one here. So let's look at the resolution. The resolution is in either 720p or 1080p. So whichever one that you wish, you can use that. Now let's look at the aspect ratio. Now, are you generating a landscape, or you are generating in portrait? For me, I'm generating portrait because of the tutorial, which is 16:9. Now let's look at the duration. Now look at their duration. They have from 4 seconds, 6 seconds, and 8 seconds generation. So let's leave it at 8 seconds, which is their maximum. Okay, now if you are done with this, you have to click on this good sign to accept all your configurations. So let's come over to the prompt section. So over here now, you can type in whatever you want to generate. For me, I have my prompt already. I drop my prompt over here. It said to get better generator content, turn on prompt. No, I don't want to turn on prompt automatic. So let's leave our prompt the way I have it. Okay. So look at it. You can see my prompts have a description, and it as well has a dialogue. All right. So if you are done, you just hit on this particular symbol here. Hit on this blue sign here to be able to generate. Instead, start using with this one. Just say okay. Why all these things are coming out? Because it's your first time of generating it. Close this because we don't need that. So it will start generating this way. But if you are using a paid version, you will be able to generate up to 15 minutes long at a go. So after all this tutorial, after all the generation samples, I will show you how much they charge for their pro version. So you can make up your choice to either to go for their pro version or to remain in free version. Now, once your video is ready, they will tell you that your generation history will automatically be saved in your files. Automatically, say all of your generation history is saved in files automatically. Just say okay. All right. So look at what they generated for us. I can see over here they have a Gmail logo, very bold, on the video. So for you to remove this logo, you have to subscribe to their channel to get the logo removed. So let's listen to our generation and see what the girl says.
Welcome to today's amazing tutorial. You're about to discover powerful free AI tool that can turn simple text into stunning videos.
Can you see that? It's so perfect and it's so realistic. Remember, it's a 3D cartoon that we use. So that's why it comes out in 3D. All right, so let's take another sample again and see. So let's drop in another prompt. So I'll wipe out this particular one here and drop another sample. So now we have seen our generation. The next thing to download and save this thing into your file, just click on this download sign just for safe process. Okay, instead of you looking for where the file is, just download it direct to your phone. So let's check another prompt. Let's try another format. I paste in another one. This one now is about that ant that you see that initial time. So look at it. This is the prompt for the ant. So I hit my send. So the ant session is as well generating. Okay, so don't forget, after now, I'll show you how much they charge you per month. Because one thing you must know with Firefly is that it's not completely free. Unlike the other tools I usually show you. Okay, Firefly can only give you 3 free generations. It's just for you to see how their website or how their app generates and the quality of their content. Okay, so after that 3 free generations, you can now decide whether to subscribe with them or not. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be giving them a trial by subscribing with them, or if you want to keep on looking for a free version, just let me know in the comment section. All right, our generation is ready. So let's look at this beautiful ant here. Let's play.
This AI tool is incredibly powerful. With just text, it can create videos, animations, and even talking characters. This AI tool is incredibly powerful.
One thing I love most about this Firefly is that their lip sync is perfect. It's not like other ones that the lip sync will be, the voice will be sounding different and the mouth will not be moving, but everything here is extremely powerful. So let me know in the comment section if you would like to try out this Firefly today. Let's take one more generation the samples that you saw earlier. Let's take one more again. So I've dropped in another prompt and it's generating. We'll be back after the generation. All right, let's take a look at this one too.
Everything you're seeing in this video was created by Qwen using completely free AI tools. No paid software, no subscriptions, just creativity and smart tools.
Can you see that? Can you see that? So this one is a realistic image. This is a realistic human that they generated, and you can see the way his expressions were accurate. That's one thing. It's so fantastic because the expressions, the lip sync, everything moved perfectly well with no flaws anywhere at all. So let's go ahead and see how much they charge in their credits. So for us in Africa, especially in my country, which is Nigeria, this is how much they will charge you per month, 17,200 per month, and it will be giving you 2,000 credits monthly. Okay, and this is how it is. And they have another one. This particular one is for standard version. If you are paying monthly, then if you are paying it annually, it's about 100 and something. If you are paying it biannually, which is 14,000 something biannually. So if you are paying monthly, let's look at only the monthly. For standard is 17,200 for standard. Then for Adobe Pro version is 34,507 naira 50 kobo, and that gives you 4,000 credits monthly. So you can check out, you can see every one of them. This one is another one for the premium, for those that generate heavily. Okay, so this is how Adobe Firefly is. So you can make your choice and see if you will be going for free version or you directly go to their paid version. All right, so let me know in the comment section what you feel about this one. So before we go, let's try out this exactly this last prompt that we use here. Let's try it out in another app called Qwen. Let's try that same prompt. The last prompt we just tried out in Firefly. Let's try it using Qwen AI. Let's put the Qwen AI here. On Qwen AI, this is how it is. You click on video generation, then you drop in your prompt here. We are dropping exactly the same prompt, the same words, everything. Here you can change your aspect ratio. You can leave it here in 16. So let me know in the comment section if you would like me to teach you more about Qwen AI. All right, here you click send. So we're sending it here. It will come over to this place and you can see it's generating. Qwen AI doesn't waste much time. Within minutes, it will be ready. So our video is almost ready in Qwen. Well, look at it again in Qwen, but the difference in the Qwen is that it generates only but 5 seconds. So let's listen to this.
Everything you're seeing in this video was created by Qwen using completely free AI tools. No paid subscriptions, just creativity.
You can see the difference now between Firefly and Qwen. So let me know in the comment section which one you think that is more perfect. In this particular one, you can see the way he pronounced the names were not perfectly, and it was too fast, and he couldn't finish up the whole sentences that was given to it. All right, so let me know if you would like me to show you how to use this Qwen again in the comment section. Okay, right, in case you forget to download your videos, let me quickly show you where you will see your files. So you scroll to the bottom, scroll up to the last. You can see this place, they have files. Let me keep it where you will not see it first. It will come up this way. It's a recent stuff, files. You touch on these files, you can click on generative history. You can see those 3 images that were just generated. They are there. You can now touch any of them and hit on download button to save it direct to your phone. All right. Thank you. I believe I've shown someone something new today. If you know you are getting value from AI Mastery Tutorial, please do well to hit that subscribe button this minute. Thank you all, and don't forget to share it. Share it, very important. Bye for now.